Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video we are going to finish the table and chairs. You're first going to see me go out to the garage and scuff sand the legs of the table and the legs of the chairs and the backs of the chairs, so that way that it's ready to be painted. And then I am going to reveal the color we're painting on those legs and backs. And then we'll go on to actually painting. And then at the end, I'll show you the final product. So let's get started. We have a lot of work to do. And if you're wondering what I'm using to sand, it's 150 grit paper that I'm just going over really quickly because you don't need to do too much to it. And the color might look familiar because it's the same color that I used on the desk / table in the last furniture flipping video that I did of the other project. It's called Snuggled, and if I can find like the label for it, I'll make sure to put it up on the screen. So here's the table with just one layer of paint so far. Okay, so it's been a couple days since I got to work on this table, and I'm gonna finish painting for sure the table legs because they just need one more coat, and then I need to start working on the chairs, both the bottom and the backs. So we had a lot of work to do. And there's obviously gonna have to be some drying time in between. And I also have an appointment today, so I'll be filming another vlog on top of this furniture video. So I'm pretty busy today, so let's get started. Okay, so I got the first layer done on the bottom of the chairs and the, what do you want to call that? The rim of the outside? Just this part. I'm gonna do the spindles with a smaller brush because that way I won't flip paint everywhere so much. But I'm about to put on the second coat, and the table legs are done. I'm just gonna leave it like that until everything's dry. And I will flip it over and add on, I don't know if you can see them way back there, but the extensions. Okay, let's get working on the second coat on the chairs. So before I flip the table over, I'm actually going to tighten all of the legs because they're a little wibbly and wobbly, and all I need to do is just tighten the bolts. Okay, so we got the extensions on. I'm gonna pull them out for you. It needs to be wiped off a little bit. Okay, extensions extended. There's some dust on the table, but I'll wipe it off. So here's what the chairs look like right now. I'm actually not going to be able to finish them in this video because I noticed that the top coat that I used, the 3 times thick protective top coat, did not mix well with the stain, at least around the spindles. So they have kind of like this chunky, dried up look to them, and I don't like that. So I'm going to sand around them and sand the whole base again to put a different kind of top coat on. The one that I usually use is like a satin matte, or not a satin matte, a satin clear coat from Minwax. And here is everything together.